The Video Design and Production program at George Brown is a 2-year diploma that provides students with a solid foundation in both traditional and emerging film techniques. This comprehensive curriculum equips graduates to navigate the evolving media landscape, where conventional broadcasting is giving way to innovative methods. Recognized as one of Canada's top film schools by Course Compare and Degrees and Careers, our program offers students access to industry-standard facilities and a vibrant creative community. The program emphasizes a blend of theoretical knowledge and practical experience, preparing students for various roles in film, video production, editing, post-production, and virtual production. Graduates are well-positioned to meet the demands of a shifting media environment, ready to contribute to the future of visual storytelling.